Hello everyone. So we are back with the design series and today we are going to see the abstract factory design pattern. So it is going to be a short video where we will be understanding what is abstract factory design pattern. Then we'll take an example and we'll try to understand how we can implement it. And as of now, I have already written the example so that we can go through it in the precise way. So the abstract factory pattern is first of all a creational design pattern that provides an interface to create a family of related or dependent objects without specifying their concrete classes. So the point here is that we should have an interface to create family of related objects. So it is completely for the family of objects. So let us understand this with an example. It will be more clear once we are completed with this example. So it's a common example of a chair and a sofa. So the first thing that we have done is we have created an interface for chair. It has a function which is sit on. It is pure virtual and we have a chair destructor. Similarly, we have a sofa interface as well, which has a function lie on and it has a destructor sofa. Now we need a concrete products. So for concrete products, we have a modern chair and a modern sofa. They both will be implementing their respective methods. So modern chair will implement sit on and modern sofa will implement the lie on method. Now, once this is done, we are going to again create a family of objects. Like we said, this time it is Victorian chair and Victorian sofa. They are also going to implement the chair and sofa interfaces. And then we will override the sit on method and the lie on method. Now you can see we have the modern chair and modern sofa, which belong to the same family, whereas we have Victorian chair and Victorian sofa, which belongs to the second family. So for creating their objects, what do? We create an we create an abstract class or an interface. For now, I'm creating an interface, but you could have gone for an abstract class as well. If you have some common functionality, you could have gone for an abstract class. So a class named Furniture Factory is created. Inside that, I have a create chair and create sofa method. I have made them pure virtual. They are going to return me the pointer of chair and sofa. Whichever family I want, it will return me the correct the chair and sofa pointer. Then after that, I would need a destructor. After this, we have two family of objects. We have modern and we have Victorian. So for both of them, I'll create a modern furniture factory and Victorian furniture factory. Both will implement the furniture factory class. Now they're going to override the methods create chair and create sofa. And for modern furniture factory, the create chair is going to return me the modern chair object, whereas create sofa is going to return me the modern sofa pointer. Now, the same way, Victorian Furniture Factory is going to implement the Furniture Factory, and after implementing the Create Chair and Create Sofa, it is going to return me the Victorian Chair and Victorian Sofa, respectively. If I want to make use of it, then let us say for the client side, we have a function called furnish the room, and the client can furnish it with either the Victorian or the modern furniture. So I'll be getting a furniture factory uh, reference, and with that reference, I can call create chair and create sofa. Now, those create chair and create sofa pointer, I'll save it, and I can call the respective functions using those pointers. Now, when we are trying to implement the main method, inside that, if I pass on, I'll first create a modern furniture factory and a Victorian furniture factory object. And if I want to furnish my room with the modern furniture, then I'll pass the modern factory into my furnish room method. If I want a Victorian furniture, then I would pass the Victorian factory inside furnish room. So you can see that we are not directly creating the product, concrete products. We have an abstract class which handles this functionality for us. It creates the right object and it gives the pointer to us, and we can handle it with that. So that is the point of using the abstract factory design pattern. It is very less likely to be used in system design questions, but still you should know how it is implemented and what is the main objective behind using the abstract factory design pattern. So this was all about the abstract factory pattern. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. For later videos, we'll be trying to implement the code. We'll try to go through it and we'll code it up from this top to bottom.